Bitcoin is still sitting at $102,000. I mean, above $102,000, and that's what we want. We want to see Bitcoin stay above $102,000. But look at crypto bubbles. Bitcoin is still doing great for the past month. We can see that only some few coins are doing great against Bitcoin, like Ray, Fatcoin, Sol, SPX, GT, BG. But if you go to the weekly time frame, let's see which coins are doing well against Bitcoin. Almost similar coins when you look at the top 100 coins. But let's look at the day. Which coins have been attempting to do well for today against Bitcoin? We can see SMRO or more. We can see what WLD, MNT, Pengu also is there. HBAR is getting started to start making some big moves to the upside. So today, I want us to analyze the UK session, and we're gonna look at possibilities to trade some meme coins, AI agent coins, or AI coins during the US session. So, in essence, what I want us to establish on today's live stream during this UK session is which are the altcoins that have strength to take us to Valhalla during the during the end of the UK session and beginning of the US session. And all this is in contingent that Bitcoin should stay above $102,000. So provided Bitcoin is above that price point, we're gonna see all coins pump down. So you're gonna be there to cash out that profit. If say you are new on this platform, you are watching the Betong's Crypto. Yeah, always to bring you guys amazing stuff going on in the crypto space. I want you guys to understand what it takes to be successful, to build a sustainable crypto portfolio, to build something that is real and outstanding in this space. And we are focusing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin helps give us that direction as to where the market is going heading toward. So, if say this sort of content interests you, you want to be ahead of the curve, then make sure you are subscribed to this platform. And this show, I want to be doing this show every day, like the same time, so that we can look at the UK session, look at what Asia have done, then look at what what US might done. Then maybe from there we can, like analyze the market based on how we're going to approach it, and also maybe if say it happens that we want to stay away from the market, then we want to stay away from the market. So that's that for the introduction. Yeah, so let's dive into the juicy part of today's show. But by the way, before I continue, I'm gonna just go straight to share my stream on. I love to retweet it on X so that I can get in more of my ex people to join me as usual, to join me live. Yeah, when I am. Usually whenever I go live on X, I still need to retweet it so that those who are following me can get it. So just give me some time. Let me just retweet this as soon as possible. If say you are watching right now, you can as well retweet this. If say you can just go to X and retweet this. I just want to get in more folks on X. I always love to like this platform is good to me, so I just want to get more of my folks there. You know. Yes, guys. Sorry, I have to do this so we can get in more folks here to join us live. I just have to do this. Bear with me, and I'm gonna be there with you. So we have time to analyze the market. I think I'm gonna give you guys some alphas today that will blow your mind. Like really really great. So let's do this as soon as we can. Yeah, I think this is it. Let me just retweet this now. and we're not getting more people to join us live. So I haven't shared that. I want to first begin. Let's begin with the liquidation heat map. Let's see where we are at this point in time with Bitcoin. You know where we are. So this is let's begin with the weekly time frame, right? I want us to look at first what we might expect for Bitcoin or the entire crypto market this week. Okay, when I say this week, I mean the next 7 days from like even weekend included. Now, this is alarming to me because I can see that we have more liquidity here around like that. Let me say from 100,000 to 100 and this is $95,000. So if we manage to grab this liquidity today, because I can see we are closer to that liquidity around this 90, 98, 97, 96, or 95. If we manage to grab it, then we can see a huge buyback to the upside. But at the same time, we can see that we have some minor liquidity here around $110,000. So they can easily come here. They have already grabbed this liquidity around $100,000, right? Now they might come to around 99 or let's say 98. Like for the next 1 week. I'm talking about the next 1 week. Okay, they can easily come here first, grab this liquidity here, take Bitcoin right down to 90, almost 95 k, then take it right away to the upside. But if they do that, that's gonna be bad for Bitcoin in general because it means they can still take Bitcoin right down to 90k if they do that. So I think if we look at the 3 days time frame, we can begin to see some fruitful, like something fruitful on the charts that they can easily take us for the next 3 days first to 99k, which is okay. That they did that, I think 2 days ago, before they take us to 108k or about 112k. Right, so these are the possibilities that they can do. But looking at the next 3 days, we can see that we have more liquidity above price than below price. Okay, now if we look at the market for the next 24 hours, we can see almost similar thing, but now we are looking at more liquidity still above price, and but the target is going to be around 109k. Okay, but they can still just bring us right down to 100k today before they take us straight up to Valhalla. Okay, and so now looking at all these scenarios that could happen in the market, what is going to happen with altcoins out? I want to share with you guys some altcoins that I think are going to blow, but we're going to do the analysis together so that we can see these altcoins where they are, and if Bitcoin is going to do what Bitcoin is going to do, then these altcoins are going to do so well, you know, alongside Bitcoin. You know, so this is what I want us to really establish. You know, like we need to establish this fact, guys. Let me say something to you before we go back to the chart. Trading is all about looking at possibilities. When you know what the market might do in like ahead of time, you can prepare before that time. But if say you are blindly going into the market without any plan, then when that happens, you wouldn't be able to know what to do. So what I'm trying to do here, guys, is for you to understand that if Bitcoin, if price goes towards these key levels, then this is what we might expect. And if it happens, this is what we should do with these altcoins that we're going to look at today, right? So this, we are doing now the macro analysis, like what could happen with the market. Then we look at now the future. You know, if it happens, then this is how we react to it. You know, so I want you to guys to pay attention to that. So let's dive back to the analysis. So let's look at now Bitcoin. Let's see. Before we go there, let's see what could happen for the next 12 hours. I didn't look at the next 12 hours. Yeah, let's look at the next 12 hours. Let's see what could happen the next 12 hours for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin is showing us the same trend for the next 12 hours, you know, and this is something that I think could happen at the same time. Like if you look at what has happened previously, you know, like what we saw previously, we can still see Bitcoin go to this same price point before go to the upside. But we can see clearly that the zone that they can easily take price to is around this $100,000, and the same thing applies to the next, you know, target. So you can see this, guys. If you are hearing some noise, background noise, is my son. My son he wanted to come here to live with me, but my wife is preventing him to come. So if you're hearing that sound behind, He's the one crying. So bear with me that So you want to come to the studio and something like that. But let's dive into it. To the chart again once more. Let's see where we are right now with Bitcoin. So looking at these lines, I would say that like we could we could confirm, or we can confirm what I just said to you based on these lines here, that they can take us to 99k. And I've done this, and I've done this markup already a long time ago, and now it might happen that we come around this 99k, then around this 99.896 or 99k. But I'm looking at this zone around 100k to be the area where we get a huge bounce. That's around 100.3, like $100,300. So they can bounce from there. They can bring price there. Why I say so is because we are below the looking at this 50 minutes time frame. Let's see on this time frame, we are below the 50-day moving average. And always when we are below this moving average during the UK session, it's high chances that UK might take it right down towards this key level, like break the low of Asia session, because Asia started market open around then now Asia took us right down here to around $101,000. Then Asia took us again up to around, let's say, around $102,000, 700. And now we are getting into the UK session, but UK is holding this minor support here. So if UK manage to hold this key support here, so they can take us back above the alpha trend. And if they take us back above the alpha trend, then it means that we can go above this 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame. So if say this come to pass, then we can see UK push price a little bit upward to target this daily open. But now what we want to see is we want to see price stay above $103,000, like above this level here, above this US market open. So this is a level where I want us to see price above. So if we see price above, then it means we're gonna see all coins do well continuously. So we want to see Bitcoin do something like this, go up, come down, like held this zone. It should help this zone at least 103.449 or 103,500. So this is something I think should happen before we can confirm that maybe we're going to be going back to the upside to target the zones. We just look at the liquidation heat map, on the liquidation heat map. And if this is going to be the case, then it means all coins are going to do well too. Now, if Bitcoin is able to do something like this, let's say from where we are right now during the UK session, is managed to do something like this, then it means that US might bring it down a little bit, then take it again up to the upside. But we will need to see at least break of structure, around this key area. Yeah, this around $102 102.8. So we need to see structure broken here. If say that's the case, then this is gonna be good for the altcoins that we're gonna look at today. And most of these altcoins are already showing some strength to give us some huge gains, in the past. And most of the target I'm gonna be sharing it with you here. So you're gonna see where we can expect price to go to, looking at these meme coins or this altcoin. But now, before we even go there, I want us to look at some other analysis. This is the altcoin market. Let's see what this altcoin market is doing here during this time frame. And the same thing applies on this is the total market cap, including the top 10 cryptocurrency out there. So looking at this, I would say that this is gonna be the same as what Bitcoin is gonna do. Like the same thing that we are seeing here, the same structure, the same movement. It's similar to what I just showed you guys here on Bitcoin, the chart of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does not make that move, it means that these altcoin market are gonna do the same move, or make the same move, and this will not affect the top coins that have real communities that are about to make a huge move right now. Most of them have already made some move already, but I'm gonna still share with you guys some that are still about to make a move. So looking at this, and also to touch way, we can confirm that Bitcoin is gonna do something great. And if Bitcoin is gonna do something great, this could also affect the altcoin market. And I really want to see the altcoin market do well. And if the altcoin market do well, then Bitcoin also gonna do well. Now this is to touch way. Now, Total Tree is sitting at this same level, almost similar to what Bitcoin is doing. But Total Tree is are all cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we need Ethereum to react on this base. So Ethereum, for this to really work, we need Ethereum and Bitcoin to move the market somehow. But I mean, if Ethereum is not able to move and Bitcoin is not able to move that way, so we have to focus on the other chart I showed you, like this one. So we focus on this one instead. This total cap, excluding all the top 10 currency out there. Now let's get into dominance and see a little bit where we are with dominance. We are at 58 dominance, and dominance looks somehow bearish. You can see on this time frame we are looking bearish for dominance. And if Bitcoin is the altcoin market is gonna do well, then we're gonna see Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit right down here to around 58. Or let's say, let me just look at this on the 4 hours time frame. Let's see where we can go to with dominance. Even though we are here, but we are still bullish with dominance, so we can come a little bit right down here around 58. Yeah, 58. Before maybe we go to the upside again for dominance. But dominance looks strong, which means Bitcoin looks strong. And if Bitcoin looks strong, then altcoin should also look strong. So if dominance is gonna go up by Bitcoin going up, then altcoins are gonna go up as well. So we have established this now with the macro analysis of the market, what could happen, and we took only 60 minutes to do this. So let's dive now into the proper analysis with the coins that I want us to look at today. Now we're gonna begin with this bad boy Pnut. Pnut is gonna pump today. Like I can guarantee with myself because I bought Pnut. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I think Pnut is gonna pump today. Now let's look at Pnut first on the daily time frame. Let's see where we are right now. Look at where we are, guys. This is bottom. Like this is bottom. And if we look at the volume right now, it's at 200 and like now 307 million volume right now. So this is a huge volume that I think can push price to the upside. This is a crucial bottom for Pnut, and Pnut is here, and I think that we're gonna see a minor bounce. Now, for us to actually determine the target for this bounce, I do this simple analysis. I bring in my Fibonacci tool, block it from the top of that move to the bottom of this move. I want to consider this move as the bottom. Now look at the 0.382 zone. This is around $1.2. 1.17 for Pnut. Okay. Now, how many percent this is? Can this coin pump towards that target right now? That's gonna be 2x. So can Pnut 2x your investment long term? Yes, Pnut can do that. Why? Because this is one of those meme coins out there that have a good community. They have pumped before, and this is a zone where they're gonna pump it back again. So at least this area is a zone that I can believe almost everyone have cashed out some profit, from the market. And now those who are left are those who still need to cash out some profit. I need to sit, I feel my back is my back pain, so I have to sit a little bit. Oh yeah, let me sit. I think it's better now. Yeah. Oh, my back pains. Sorry, I have to sit down a little bit. So, I want to believe everyone has have cashed out some profit already from Pnut. So Pnut should be one of those coins that should make you some quick gains in the short term. I don't want us to target the golden pocket, which is going to be the main target anyways. I want us to target this zone here. This should be the second take profit zone. We have two take profit zone. The first one is here, this area here, and this is the second profit zone. So you can sell half here and you sell everything here. Now, if you're gonna sell half here, like this target here, this is gonna be around 1x. Yeah, 1x. So you can cash out, like sell half of your position here, then you sell the other half here. So this is what I'm looking at for Pnut. Okay, this is great profit, and you really want to take advantage of that. Now, the next coin I want us to look at here is this bad boy AIRO. I talked about AIRO yesterday. I shared about this coin yesterday, and I think the coin is still sitting at a key area to buy and make some quick gains. Now, why I say so? I say so because Euro came to a key area that price rejected in the past. You can see this zone. So so far as price is in this zone, this is a buy zone, and price can do something like this, can move a little bit sideways before we see the next move to the upside. But this is a key zone for Euro, and if say we're gonna consider this zone as a target, like the bottom, then let's see or what percentage is it for the upside, for the upside. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna look at this as this like the first take profit here. This is gonna be around $1.4350. So if say we mark this from here, take it up, this is gonna be around 60% profit, if that's the case, and yeah, I mean, this is something really great, so long term. If you swing trade this is a good project. This is Aerodrome. This is one of the biggest decks on the base network. So they are gonna be here for a long time. They are not gonna go anywhere, except we're gonna expect something to happen with the project. But as of now, they are still intact. And this downward trend has been going on, like ever since we saw Bitcoin dropping. Has been going down, but we need to see a break of structure here. But now, for us to actually confirm, like maybe this is gonna be the right coin to buy today, based on what Bitcoin is gonna do. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what price has been doing for the past 4 hours. Okay, price took this huge move to the upside. Now we are seeing how price is retesting this key structure. So I see price come right. I think price might come right down here around this, where we have this vector candle to recover all of this vector candle here, or half of this vector here, because they haven't yet recover this vector. So they can come right down here to around 0.97331. And from there, we can see a huge bounce back to the upside. And if say we see rejection here, then it means they don't want to go and make lower lows. And if that's the case, then we're going to see the next target go to around where I mentioned. Yeah, this is going to be around 1.5, $1.5. And yeah, the upside is really awesome. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can even confirm here on this time frame that this coin looks even though we are like around this zone, we still have some few leg down before we see a huge spike to the upside. As I mentioned, we can come right down to this 0.9657 area, or 0.97 zone. So during this session, during this US session, depending on what Bitcoin is gonna do, focus on this coin that I'm showing you. They're gonna pump like hard. And one coin that I think is already pumping right now, I'm gonna share with you guys anyways, maybe towards the end of this video. But anyway, let me just share with you guys right now. But this is what I'm looking at right now for Aerodrome. Aerodrome is one of the biggest decks on the base network. So get some Aerodrome. Now, I made some profit already with VANA. I knew VANA is not pump a long time ago. I have been sharing, I've been tweeting about VANA. Go to my X platform. I've been tweeting about VANA like almost every day. So looking at the macro, like the daily time frame for VANA, look at this bad boy. Ever since it was launched, it has been going down, 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 down now. Now, I think this should be the move that take price back to Valhalla. Why? Because of this vector here. This vector is forming and it signifies trend reversal. We have seen red, green, and now we are seeing this blue vector. Yeah, something like green or blue, yeah, something like that, And this should be a key zone. If you see this this structure breaking, then we can see a huge spike to the upside. Now, if we have to do the same analysis, bring in the flip to block it from here, you can see here that this zone should be the target around $18 for VANA. So if say we're gonna target that zone from where we are right now, it's just gonna be around 54% or 58%. Now, most of you, I got one lady in my group. She always why are you giving me coins that I make only 20%, 25%? I'm not here to make this amount. I look at her, I laugh because she don't understand what it takes to even make 20% from the market. If you are able to make 20% from the market, then you can compound that amount to 100x, 3,000x in your lifetime, or 1 million x in your lifetime. If you have the ability to grab in, every day, you are able to grab 20% from make your profit you increase your portfolio by 20% every day, do you know how much that's gonna be in a year, or that's gonna be in in 5 years? Most of you just want to make quick gains. You don't want to like understand that to make money, like you can buy a coin locally, and it make you 100x. Doesn't mean that that's what you plan that coin to do. It just happened that you were in that coin and it 100x, right? So when you are in the market, you need to have sustainable mindset, you know, to be able to look at the market the way the market should be looked upon. Not that you want to come and print like as if you are the one who launched the coin, like you have insight, or you are the market maker of the coin. So this is very important. You pay attention. So if say you are able to grab profit like this, in multiple coins every day, you can transform whatever amount to something bigger in the future. So that, I just have to let that go, let that out of my chest, because I think most of you just want to, like, you have lose money a lot and you don't learn. You keep chasing for the so-called 100x pump. But that's that for this coin, VANA. Now the next coin I want us to look at is one of my baby. And looking at this, my baby, on this time frame, this is AIAGENT, that's AWIF. AWIF, to me, I would say that we can still go right down to about $8 or $10 from where we are right now. So what I can say to you guys is, like, for those of you who are interested in this coin, like where we are right now, like if we go to the weekly time frame, if I zoom out this and look at this weekly time frame, you can see that we had a huge spike to the upside, and what we are seeing now is normal, like, and it's based on what I mentioned on my channel every now and then. Now if we break structure, we have to come back and retest structure. This is good long term, and any coin you see out there that has pumped, it's gonna do the same thing. I can show you guys many charts out there of coins that have done so well. They have to come back and retest structure, and we are at this structure right now for this coin, and I think we can come right down here around $10, right? Or maybe, yeah, I think $10 should be the target that we can go, like the lowest that we can go for this coin. So I'm gonna just mark this here, $10. Let's see. I'm gonna mark this here. I think we're gonna come right down. This is gonna be more doable. Yeah. No, around, not $10. I think around $7. So this should be the minimum we should come, or if say the market, like let's say something really bad is going to happen in the market, then we can see this coin come right down to $5. But this zone here is a perfect zone to buy back, because we have grabbed almost all of this liquidity here, and now we should be preparing to make the next move to the upside. So I think, looking at the chart right now, I can assure you guys that we're gonna see any like movement up to the upside anytime soon. And the reason I mentioned that is because of this multiple. We have seen this rejection here, but we can still come a little bit downward more to recover all of this vector here. That's why I'm not ruling out on the possibility of price going right more downward. And if price does that, it's gonna be a good thing for me as well. But again, I'm just saying, for those of you who are investing, who are investors, to take this project long term. But those of you who are traders, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Let's see where we are now on this 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't look good on the 1 hour time frame. So this is gonna be a play for investors only. So if you want to buy this, or you want to swing trade this, you're gonna be looking at the next 30 days. You can buy this and hold for the next 30 days. Then I think you're gonna make some good profit. Now, one coin I want us to buy, like right now, that I'm looking at right now, is this coin. Like, it's about to make a huge move, like crazy. I'm gonna buy it in a while. Let me just get to it quickly before it make that huge pump. I'm looking it on a different screen right now. Whoa, I'm trying to bring it. Yeah. So this is the coin Fala. Fala, was doing well, but now I'm looking at this vector here. Okay, this vector here, and what is going on here? So if we drop to the 15 minutes time frame, right, you're gonna see that you're gonna see that we saw this huge move to the upside, yeah, and of course with test of structure. But now, what I'm thinking at right now is, are we gonna go more downward, or should we just buy right now? when I just look at the other chart, yeah, it was on the 10 minutes time frame. So I was like, oh, buy now. But if I go deeper to see, like if I like, let me try to analyze this on this time frame, this chart. I think this is gonna be more okay. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do Fala. Yeah. So this is a 15 the 10 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this 10 minutes time frame shows that we printed this buy signal, yeah, and a sell signal, yeah. So the way I trade this, like using this chart, is whenever I see a buy signal, then the next sell signal shouldn't go and create more lower lows from where the buy signal was created. So now we have seen this buy signal and we saw this sell signal. Yeah, I don't want the sell signal to take price and close price below here. Price should stay above. So if we see the next buy signal, if price reject this zone and the next buy signal, if we see it, it means that there's this coin is gonna pump at least. That's my, like, most of the time this come to pass. So this is what I've witnessed looking at this chart, the way I trade looking at this chart. So if we don't see this go and make lower lows and create more lows, then we should buy this coin. Of course, this could happen during this time frame, during my live stream. But I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to happen during my live stream. Okay, but you can just get this indicator. It's free of charge. It's SSL. Just go to SSL. Let me see the one I have. I think I have all of them. SSL channel. So just go to the indicator tab. You search for SSL channel, and these two is the ones I have. So you can get them, you can mark them stars to be among your favorite. Now these are my settings. So this is what I have there. Let me double click this so you can get it. Let me see. Okay, so I have this SMA high 200 and SMA low 200. Then I have the 13-day and the 13-day high and the 13-day SMA low. Now, these are the first analysis, the first indicator. And the second one is this one, and this one is more of the 50-day moving average. So I analyze this figure to be more of the 50-day moving average. So what I want to see usually is on any time frame, I want to see price break and stay above this 50-day moving average, and from there I can confirm that we are in a good we are in a good way, like a good trend upward. And if say we see the sell signal print below, it prints here and price stays below this 50-day moving average, then we're gonna go more downward. But with me, I always look at a buy opportunity, or at buy opportunity. I don't look more at sell opportunity. I'm more of a bull, not a bear. But Fala, you got the idea. But Fala is among the list of the coins we're gonna get if say something goes well with us. Now, I want us to look at this AI coin here, and this is AVA. And AVA has been doing somehow great in the past, but we are sitting now at this price point for AVA. Let's just look at this on the 4 hours time frame first. Let's see the bigger picture here, where we are, what price has been doing. You can see price has been moving in this range. Now we should hold here. Like if say we're not gonna be able to hold this level here, then maybe we're gonna see price go down. But where we are right now, we are at the bottom. Okay, this coin usually pump like 30%. If say on a pump, you can see this was what happened yesterday. Yesterday this happened yesterday, this pump here, and now we saw this today. We are seeing this today. So can we see another pump to the upside today? Yeah. If Bitcoin does what Bitcoin should do, then this coin should pump, right? At least it should pump towards this zone here, at least. Let's see. Let me just bring in the volume profile. Let's see. Let me just go to this chart so I can bring in the volume profile here. I think I'm already there. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna come to AVA, but ICP is also another coin that I want us to look at. But let's stick here. Let's just go with AVA first. I'm gonna come to ICP a little bit. AVA AI. Let's stick with AVA. Then we're gonna go to ICP later. So I want to see where we are on the volume profile. So okay, we can come down a little bit around this 0.159 zone where we have this value area low. Yeah, but we are around the POC, And I think maybe from the POC, if say price cross above the point of control, the POC around 0.1796 for AVAAI, then I'm going to see price target this value area high around the 0.28 zone. So that's what I think could happen with AVAAI. But now talking about ICP, I think ICP is also in that buy zone for those of you who are looking for something to buy. And I want to also look at ICP now on this time frame, because I think ICP like is trying to play something here. Looking at this indicator, I would say that on the 4 hours time frame we are still bearish, but if we go to the 50 minutes time frame, I think we are beginning to reverse. You can see we have seen this buy signal here, and now price cross the zone, and we have seen another sell signal. So what we should expect now is a buy signal. We don't want this sell signal to take price and close below this previous low here. We want price to keep going above, and the buy signal should appear anytime from now. And if that's the case, then I think we're gonna see ICP go right up to, let's see where we can expect ICP to go to. Let me just bring ICP here for today. Let's see the target for today. ICP. The target should be around. Let's see. I'm waiting for that target to load. Load. It's taking time to load. Let's see. Let's refresh this again. Okay, we're looking at $10 for ICP for today. Like, if ICP, okay, you can see we already have a buy signal here from the alpha trend. So if say ICP is bullish today, we can see ICP take us to $10. So that's what I'm looking at for ICP today. It can take us to right up to $10, and that's gonna be a good profit for you guys. Let me look how long I have been live. I don't want to make this to be so long. Let's see, I've been live for 36 minutes. Okay, I don't want to make this to be so long. I can see you guys are there with me. I can see Alamin Bashara. You are welcome to my live. I can see most of you are watching on X. Almost 100 people are watching on X. Or if you guys want me to continue, you can comment below that continue. Because I think maybe I'm gonna do 1 or 2 more, then I'm gonna end. So let's get to the next, which is let's see which coin here. Okay, Ali. Ali also is good. It's in a good spot. It made this huge move to the upside, and now we are like, this should be a key support zone here for Ali, this area here. So if price is gonna be like rejecting around this area, it's gonna be good. Why? Because we also have this 50-day moving average here that price is rejecting from. You can see clearly here. We are seeing this rejection here. If price keep rejecting this moving average here, then I think we're gonna go even more to the upside. But again, we can still just do something like this, draw a minor trend line here, to just assume that maybe price might respect this trend line here, something like that. If that's the case, then maybe we should expect price to drop a little bit downward or move somehow like this, come down here, bounce, come here, bounce, come here, bounce, come here, bounce. Like just do something like this before like go to VANA. So this could happen. It could be the case, but again, the idea is if Bitcoin is gonna do well, then this coin will pump. But if Bitcoin is not gonna do well, then this is how you can play it out. You can wait for it to do something like that. And this applies to all the coins I've been talking about here. You're gonna apply the same thing. So Ali USDT is that coin for you. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade all of these coins, you can do this on Bluefin. You can trade all of these meme coins on Bluefin. The links are found below this video. Go to the description of this video and you're going to find the Bluefin link. You can also trade this on Bybit. The link on Bybit is also found at the description of this video. You can also trade this on Bitunix. Many of these coins are found on Bluefin, Bybit, and on Bitunix. So you can go up to this platform and trade, and make sure you use my affiliate link. If you do so, it's going to be a way to help this channel to grow. I don't like make money from AdSense. I make money more trading. So if say you guys support my affiliate link, then I can make some money from it. That's gonna be good for me. To make some money from my analysis. Yeah, something like that. But again, if say you wanna get my buy and sell signal alert, you wanna join my VIP group, you wanna get what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and when I'm taking out profit, then go to the description of this video, go below this video, and you're gonna find link to be part of my VIP group. And also, if you want me to teach you TA, you want to learn all of what I do here on a one-on-one basis, then make sure you go to the description of this video and get my VIP, my free Telegram link. Join my Telegram group, and from there, I'm going to tell you how to become part of my complete education for beginners. At times it's hard to say these things, and yeah, to pronounce most of these things is like, yeah, at times I speak fast. Not that most of the time I speak fast, yeah. So yeah, so which other coin should I give you guys right now? I'm just looking at. I think this one also looks good. Let me see. No, no, it has already pumped. I think it doesn't look good. Let me see. No, there's a coin here that I share with. I did this coin cookies. I shared this one yesterday. This one could be a game changer. This one cookie, because it has made this move already. Now it is retesting this key area here. So if we see it reject the zone, let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. So if we see it reject the zone and come back above the 0.4 price point, then this should be a buy on the 1 hour time frame. I think it might revisit this high here, and that's gonna be cool profit for you. Let's say it goes to that level from that target. Let's say from the 0.40 to that target, that's gonna be around 14 or 15% profit. Yeah, so that's good percentage. If you have, like, let's say you have $1,000 and you do this for 2x leverage. Or I don't recommend leverage, by the way, but if you want to trade with leverage, make sure you do just 2x and a tight stop loss. That's gonna be something for you. But cookie is another coin that you can check on, and I think that's gonna be good for you. And lastly, this AI coin VAFU could be a game changer for this session. It has been dumping. Look where it is right now. I should consider it. I should consider the coin right now around this bottom. And by the way, guys, you can buy all of this coin again on Bluefin, or you can get it on Bybit, or you can get it on Bitronics. So go to the description of this video and use my link. There, you're gonna help me create more of such videos for you. But this is a good structure because we have been going down, down, down. And yeah, we can just, like, we have been in a consistent downward trend. So we could break structure here at least, because each time price gets here in the past, it will reject, yeah, it reject, yeah, it reject. So we should expect another rejection here. And usually price bounce from here 1-2 times. So this should be the last bounce, and the next should take us to Valhalla. So those are the coins, or these are the coins that I think can really make you some huge gains. Yeah, I think can really help you make some huge gains this week, or the weeks to come. But this is gonna be cool for you, and I wish you all the best in your trading and investing journey. Oh boy, finally we are at the end of this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to my YouTube. If you are watching on X, follow me on X. Retweet this to your community. You can never know who can benefit from this content. It's always good to share, and sharing can help someone else go out there. But I think, like, before I go, guys, quickly, Fala is showing me strength. Yeah, so make sure you keep your eyes on Fala. Trust me, keep your eyes on Fala. Pnut also, Pnut looks. Unless this one also, keep your eye on this one. I didn't talk about this one. Looks. This is look where looks. The ticker is looks. Keep an eye on that one as well. Don't forget core. Core also might pump. Keep an eye on core. On core USDT can pump as well. Let's see which other one can pump here. Pnut is gonna pump as well. Don't forget Pnut. ORDI can pump today. Don't forget ORDI. VANA can pump too. VANA can pump. So yeah, let's see. So those are the coins that can pump. And at this point in time, I'm gonna wish you guys farewell. Goodbye. That's farewell. Oh boy, I've been live for 45 minutes. For 44 minutes, so that's enough. Ciao, guys. Let me just play this my sound before I go. Because I know I am the best in the industry, in the game. I know I am the best in this game. So I'm gonna play my sound, then enjoy my sound by myself, and then
Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debates on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debates on crypto, king of the trade.
I'm the king of the trade.
In the world of coins, his fortune's made.
Yeah, love it.
And a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name.
Bye bye, guys.